Hey, this is Steve from SewingGold.com. I'm making this second video as part of our needle positioner install for this Juki 8700. This is a new needle positioner for us. Comes with our 3/4 horsepower brushless servo motor. So we've got it installed now. All we've got to do now is plug the needle positioner into the control panel here. You've got two outlets on here, one basically a double, and this is 4. So we want to do the 4, of course. Okay, now we're going to turn the motor on. We're going to adjust the end. We're going to make sure this says down, and it says down. So now we're good. The needle positioner is set to down. So I'm going to come around, Kyle. Let me come around. Okay, so now we're going to do a test and see where the needle stops. It's stopping up every single time. Okay, so it's stopping up every time. We want it to stop down. So now we're going to grab our Allen wrench. We're going to figure out which one we tightened. I believe it was this one. And it was not. It's got to be this one down here, which really we don't want to do this one. I'm going to loosen the bottom one. It's much easier to do this when you're doing it from the top. So this is the one I'm going to use when I tighten this. All right, so now we're going to loosen it, and then we're going to hold this and make sure it doesn't move. Okay, we don't want, it can move a little bit, but we're going to turn the wheel. If you could focus on this, Kyle. We're going to turn the wheel until the needle is on its way back up. We'll do it one more time. I'm going to turn the wheel until the needle is on its way back up. Okay, this is where I start. Okay, so now I was holding this. Now I'm going to tighten this back up. Okay, it's just temporary. Now we're going to test it. So now we have needle down. The main thing now is we want, when we do needle up, when we push our heel on the front of this, okay, we want to make sure that the take-up lever goes all the way up. So if I heel press, you can see the take-up lever is all the way up. So now we're done. Everything's good. So now, once we have that set up, we're going to tighten all of these Allen keys, or the hex keys, with our Allen wrench. Okay. And that's it. You're all set. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'm Steve from SewingGold.com, and Kyle, my son, filmed us. Thank you.